Oh my god. Okay, so, good morning everybody. Today I'm going to be vlogging, because I'm not doing much today. On here we have 6 very hungry guinea pigs. So I'm just going to hand feed them this. Oh my god, this is so cute. What is it, like a cabbage, like the end of like a cabbage. Come on, little Buzz. Oh, what's she doing? So yeah. Here's Lizzie. It's a rather ragey in the background. Hey Dylan. She is very shy. Hey guys, so I have some things here for the pets. I showed them to you earlier, but I don't know. I didn't do it really quickly. I don't even know if I will insert that clip or not. So my grandma got these for me, so they are corn on the cob. Sorry about that. Snowdrop just knocked the camera over. But I'm going to try these out. So the rabbits are like so excited about these. Come on. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I don't know if it's like real corn on the cob. I think it is. I'm not too sure. I'm just going to put it here on this fence. Oh, the stick just came out. Okay, the stick just came out of it, so I'm just going to give it to them because, you know, why not? I'll just pick the camera up. So I think they like it. Dandelion have some. It's like really hard. Yeah, they seem to like it. So I'm just going to drop this one into the guinea pigs. And, oh gosh, it went everywhere. I don't really get what it is, but I took out the green bits, which are there to hang it up because I thought they'd probably just have it on the floor, and I know that is to like make them stretch up, but I think they would have just fallen out anyway. Okay, so I'll just put it back for them. No. That's so cute. I'm going to give some to the rabbits, some to the guinea pigs. It just looks like this. It's actually like so cool. Like, I have actually never tried these before. I don't know why I'm showing it to you. You guys probably know. I don't know if you're supposed to give it to them or if you like put it on the floor. I'm just going to give it to them. I'll just hand feed it to them. Do you want some? No. I don't seem that interested. Oh no, Tiggs has got some. Do you want some? I don't know, it's a bit weird. I might break it open. Looks quite nice. Come on, Dylan. Aw. Tig seems to like it. It's just like Tig seems like the only one. Not like they're like one now. Do you want some picking? They're all coming. I think Tiger and Sunny are my tamest guinea pigs. They're the ones I've had the longest, so I mean, I'd be worried if they weren't. But yeah, they actually do seem to like it. Oh gosh, it's biting me. So I've just left them for that. The camera's coming for this one. Yeah, I think I might leave the guinea pigs with these, and then there we go. And I'm just gonna get this here for the rabbits. They're like following me. They definitely look like they want to see what it is. There's loads of like pellets I haven't eaten, by the way, guys. It's like not poo or anything. So don't worry. Have I zoomed in? No, that's weird. Seems like I've zoomed in. So it's quite interesting to see those new things. I got this new tunnel, so I'd show you. My mum got it for me. It's reduced because it's like Christmassy themed, but obviously the guinea pigs don't really care about that. Hey guys, I've just come out to see the pets. I've got them some cucumber and some carrot, and I can see that the door has been shut. Well, Sunny and Honey are in there, and they are like trapped inside, whilst the others are. Oh, I don't remember to get that. There we go. They're gonna come out. They've been trapped inside whilst the others are out, so it hasn't been good for either of them. I don't really get why they didn't just push it open though, because it's not that hard to push that door open. That has actually happened before, and I do normally like put something there, but, you know, that the hay keeps kind of being eaten. I've got some cucumber here, so I'm just going to put some of it there, just so I can concentrate on one piece. Are you going to come out? Anyone? Anyone coming? They're going to go for the bit that I'm not holding. Aww. Caramel's not only the first one. Oh, come on, Fuzz. I always try and hand feed them because hand feeding is really good for them. It really gets their confidence up, like around me. Bunnies are like so much more tamer than guinea pigs. Yeah. Aw, they're all like, where's it gone? Where has it all gone? Oh, Caramel's got a whole bit to herself. So I don't really know what's happening over there. There's like a big battle for all the cucumber because there's only 2 cucumber chunks. I probably should have cut them up into like smaller pieces because then they won't. Oh, Chester's staying on the run, on the guinea pig run. Hello, Chester. What are you doing? Are you breaking it? Aww. So I don't know if you guys have seen the run. Yeah, I don't think you've seen it. It's this big. You can kind of get a like comparison with Chester on it. Oh, he's run away. Chester! Look, let's see if he remembers it. Chester! Chester! Oh my god, that's so cute. He still remembers it. He's like a dog. Basically, when I shout his name, he just comes to me. Like, I haven't even had him since he was a baby. He's just so tame. Lovely. Chester! Come here, Dylan! Oh, wait. Chester! Oh my god, that's so adorable. This is Blue. Here he is. I don't want to show him. So my brother named him Blue. He's very sweet. He is getting tamer. He is still really shy, but he definitely is getting tamer, I think. Like when we first got him, he just like sit there and wouldn't move. So yeah, he's definitely getting more tamer. This is what his cage is like. I mean, it's not the biggest cage, but I mean, not many budgie cages are. But we are letting him like fly around. So normally when we are in here or about the house, we just open these doors. So to try and let him fly around the room. I'm just going to open this now just so there's like a better view right here. But yeah, and also there's loads of stuff on the floor. Most of it is actually like food. I mean, some of it's poo, but most of it is food. He is a do a clean out, but I'm not the one who cleans him out. I mean, that's my brother. And that white thing there is like a weird thing that like they sharpen their beak on. He has a mirror, he has like a perch, another one perch, and he has two other perches somewhere, but we need to put them in. I might actually put them in now. And then there's that little toy there, a mirror, I don't know if I said that. But yeah. Hey guys, I'm just coming to see the pets. Yeah. I think I'm going to be taking, let's close this. I think I'm going to be taking Dandelion inside with me because I haven't done it in a while, and I like don't want her to forget how to be picked up, if you know what I mean. Hey guys, so I've got Dandelion here, and I'm just going to take her back inside because I think Snowdrop's probably missing her, and it's getting a bit dark, so I don't want to be shutting them away when it's too dark, and then I can't really vlog it because it's too dark for the camera to capture anything. Okay, so I've just brought Dandelion back, and Snowdrop seemed like extra excited to come and see her, so that is really nice. Yeah, I'm going to put them in now. I don't know why Snowdrop will do anything, but all 6 guinea pigs all nicely in there. And let's come over here and put away the rabbits. We'll be ending this vlog now. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this has been a good vlog. And I decided to upload it on my main channel because I needed a video to go up there, and also I have like not many followers on my second channel anyway, so not many of you guys would get to watch it when I put in like so much work like editing it and stuff. So I think I'm now going to upload my vlogs on there, but you can still follow that channel. I'll probably still upload on it. It is FF Extras, and also remember to follow my Instagram, which is Furry Friends X.